Again. Oh my god. Go. I'm going insane. I need help. I need legitimate help.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Salem County in southern New Jersey, Camden County in southern New Jersey, South Central Mercer County in central New Jersey, Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, western Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania.
Let's go!
At 6:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Norristown to Arden to Pennsville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. This line of storms has a history of producing wind damage. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, public. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Wilmington, Vineland, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Bensalem, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Norristown, Chester, Willingboro, Deptford, Voorhees, Medford, West Deptford, Glassboro, Lindenwold, West Norton, and Hamilton. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 1 and 7A.
Okay.
Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 327 and 359. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 23. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 40. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 17 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 9 and 10. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 60. Interstate...
Stop exceeding your time limit.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the entire coastal waters of New Jersey. Severe thunderstorm watch 69 in effect until
69.